My name is William Marshall, and I'm the organizer of the Western PA Juneteenth celebration and Pittsburgh's Black Music Festival. The Juneteenth celebration goes from June 18th to 20th, and then the Black Music Festival will start from the 24th to the 27th. So what's different about this year is that we were able to get the city and the county to actually declare Juneteenth a city and county holiday. Coming out of COVID, it's going to provide the whole community with an opportunity to jumpstart economically with tourism, people coming in to buy food, traveling to the city. Somebody had told me that we have about 6,000 hotel rooms in downtown the city of Pittsburgh. We're trying to fill at least half of those. So what we're doing is we're trying to stick with the COVID protocol, and we're trying to stay in line with the governor's guidelines and make sure that we're adhering to everything that's going on in the community. But it's going to be a great event for the city.